Hello, I'm Safa Abnisi, Tunisian graphic designer, 32 years old. Currently, I'm freelancer on 99 Designs, and today I will tell you about my journey as graphic designer and why you should pick me for Shillington Scholarship while I'm creating a poster for Shillington Scholarship translated in Arabic using Kufi type. I remember when I was in the mid school at the age of 13, I bring all my drawers to the art teacher. She loves what I did and she told me that I'm really talented. Since then, I became her favorite, and I remember she invited me with some of my classmates to draw a random flowers on the classroom's wall. It was a very special day. Since then, I decided to study fine art like my teacher, but many of my family members told me that I can survive by doing art, especially in Tunisia. I graduated from university in 2014. I got a bachelor degree in network information. And to be honest, it wasn't the degree I want to study, obviously, but it was out of my desire. After graduation, I worked as a phone marketer, registration agent until the end of 2016. That time, I found myself in a crossroad and I have to choose between working any job I found to make a living or find my passion and have a career. Personally, I don't like easy road and I always want to challenge myself and choose the best for myself, even though I knew I would walk in a long road without a choice. So I decided to look after my passion and do what I want. I started with crafting, coloring, and doing some sketches, and I animated pictures using PowerPoint. I was so excited about graphic design because it combined between creating art and using technology, and I can visualize my idea and add my touch and personality. Later on, I joined to an art school in my hometown where I got a short course in Illustrator, InDesign, Photoshop. At the same time, I was learning on YouTube and lynda.com. That's why I'm passionate with making tutorial. And I got a certificate in fundamentals of graphic design from Coursera. From 2017 until today, I worked for different companies in my home country. But because I didn't belong to an art school, I always feel unfulfilled and I need to learn more about design principles like layout and composition, color theory, and how to use color ratio to make the design look balanced. Fortunately, Shillington offer a good course structure, the same as universities, and with the practicing, which can shape my skills and boost my career in a short time. And I know it's an intensive program, and I'm ready to challenge myself and shape my knowledge to be a valuable graphic designer. Shillington Scholarship is suitable for me in so many reasons. As an adult, finding a scholarship with no age or nationality restrictions is not easy. Also, it's a big chance for me to get the knowledge from a well-known institute, which can double my chance to get a better job positions in the biggest companies in my home country. I'm sure Shillington Scholarship will be the turning point in my life for good.